And now as we go through our day today, it is going to be breezy and cool for us with that front through. But next week, that's when we finally start to warm up. So we had the front come through, opening the door for these gusty west winds we're experiencing now. They become northwesterly, and some cloud cover may drag in behind that front as well. High waves keep building along the Porter County beaches and into southwest lower Michigan, 5 to 8 foot waves. So we will see these winds westerly now 25 to 35 miles per hour. Even breezy at dinner time, 25 to 30 miles per hour, just reinforcing this cool air that's going to be in place. So 66 degrees, that's it downtown for our forecast high. We should be at almost 80 degrees. Well, let's plan the weekend for you. I think we'll have more clouds than sun at times on Saturday, kind of a mixed sky. It will be breezy though, with cool temperatures still holding at 67. Then a pattern change on Sunday. A ridge of high pressure centers overhead. Winds can relax, skies can clear out. Dry air is in place, so we'll see 68. And then on Monday, big day for Chicago, big day at Soldier Field. Kickoff for the home game, the home opener against the Vikings is at 7:15 Monday evening. What a perfect forecast. A clear sky, a southeasterly wind only 5 to 10 miles per hour, and a temperature to kick off at 67 degrees. So a nice trend of weather here. In fact, the 7-day is showing us that even though we're cooler than average going through the weekend, as we step through next week, that's when we start to see temperatures rising. But I don't think we're going to see our warming until about the middle of the week. We should be at 79, and it's going to take several days to get there, but we're not tracking any storms. So dry and cool this weekend. We'll be right back.